So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday, 26th of February. Now let's have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So even though we are seeing a bit of recovery on the pound against the yen, the most recent, we do seem to have encountered some weakness more recently. So we trade above this 50.56 and didn't quite get up towards 51.50. We have seen prices come down quite a bit, come down towards this 49.78 from 49.78. Briefly traded through the level, found support, had prices head up towards that 50.56, came up towards that 50, well, the 50 level essentially, and we have seen prices head down towards the 49.10, the very next level marked out here in charts. Had prices going to a bit of consolidation before we broke down, didn't quite get down towards that 48.46. Didn't quite get down to 48.46 before we had this move back up to test the 49.10. Had a move above the 49.10, had a brief sell-off. And a couple of weakness, sorry, I shouldn't say sell-off. Had some weakness off the 200 period moving average. We are seeing some negative reactions to 200 period average. Had prices come down quite a bit below the 49.10. Retook the level on Friday, and what we did see was a gap up in the market. Now, we gapped up above resistance in the 49.78 level. But what we have seen is, since market's been open, is we've seen sell-side momentum taken beneath the 200 period moving average. And we do look poised for a test of 49.10. If we do hold 49.10 for support, we're looking for price head up towards our 49.78, break from which we're looking to see our prices react around the 150 level. Wouldn't expect to see much of a reaction around the 150 level, but ultimately we're looking for price head up towards our 150.56. That's the it's a minor level, but it's a level of some importance. Break from there, we're looking for price up towards our 151. Around 151, we do have the 400 period moving average, which may act as which may act as confluence. I shouldn't say may act as confluence. May up at the 151 area. We do have the 400 period moving average, which may act as a dynamic level of resistance. Could potentially see prices retrace back down towards that 50.56 or possibly even the 149.78. If, however, we do successfully break above the 400 period moving average, we're looking for price head up towards that 51.25. Can't anticipate prices moving beyond the 51.25. And here to the upside unless we have a tremendous amount of market volatility. Now, if we do see the continuation of the breakdown, if we do see the breakdown beneath this 49.10, we're looking for price head down towards our 48.46, and a break from 48.46, we are looking for price head down towards our 47.35. 47.35 is the very next major level marked out in red. I'm looking to see if we do break down from this 48.46, and with that said, that pretty much wraps up the hourly chart. So let's have a look at the higher time frames. So let's just get the scaling on here correct, and here we are. Wow, it's a lot weaker than I thought it was. So what we can see here on this monthly chart is we're having a bit of recovery here on the pound, but this candle here for February so far has been very bearish. It's a very sizable candle, larger than the previous 4 candles. Not as large as this very bullish candle that's there, but it is a pretty large candle nonetheless. So we do have to bear that in mind, especially going forward, that despite we're in a trend to the upside, that we are seeing a bit of weakness. Now let's just have a look at the weekly chart. So over here on the weekly chart, we can see from their lows, had a pullback there, another pullback. The thing about the pound yen, we've had deeper retracements than we'd like. The trend hasn't been as strong as we'd like, so we've had these very deep retracements. Now we've had this very large candle, and ever since then we've had the trend to the upside. A slow progressive trend to the upside, but we've had this large candle here, not comparable in size to this of this large bullish candle, but it is a sizable candle nonetheless. We've do appear to be going a bit of a consolidation here before possibly, if we do see the consolidation play out in a bullish manner, because we do have an inverted hammer there. If we do have the consolidation play out in a bullish manner, we are looking to see a retracement to invalidate this bearish candle, which would be in alignment with the trend, which is slightly to the upside. Now, if we do see a further breakdown beneath this level, as the trend isn't particularly strong, we may see further weakness here on the pound against the yen. Now, if we have a look at the daily time frame before wrapping up here, on the daily time frame, we can see formula lows had this move upwards, went into a bit of consolidation, before had a slow move to the upside, had a sharper turn near the end of this trend before we saw this very large, well, relatively large candle just there, and from there we have seen prices come down quite a bit. It's gone into a bit of consolidation here as indicated by these bullish candles, but we are seeing further sell side momentum here in this market. So if we do break below this 48.46, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average staying slightly above the 47.35 level, which may act as a dynamic level, bear with me a second here, shouldn't be on there, which may act as a dynamic level of support if we do break down below this 48.46. So we are going to a bit of consolidation here, so we might see a retracement to the upside, because we are into an area where we've previously found support, but we're into an area where we've previously found support, so we may see a retracement from here and not downside continuation, because we have had a pretty steep trend to the downside. We may see a retracement before seeing that further sell side continuation to the downside on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.